Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is TMike making another video today. This video is going to be on a TMike trick, and it's a good TMike trick. This is inspired by a subscriber who bought parts from me, Mike in Florida. Did a 9.5 rebuild for him and he's having a problem. This TMike trick is concerning a leaky fuel connector on the 9.5 Johnson and Evinrudes. Common problem, alright? Leaky fuel connector. What happens, I've been dealing with this for years with customers. I do a restore for them. They get the motor back, and the fuel connector that connects onto this is on the motor, on the tiller handle. Fuel connector is right here. The connector, when you put it on, doesn't connect. Put your fuel line on and it pops right out, right? The clip, this clip that's supposed to connect on this connection right here, the connector doesn't go far enough in for that clip to catch, and it pops right out. If you can get it to stay, it just sits there and leaks. But Michael thought he had a bad connector, wanted to buy this part from me, and it's not that. I'll show you outside right now on my motor. I was doing it on my motor outside. Then we're gonna come back in, I'm gonna fix it for you. Show you the TMike trick. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Here's my 9.5 test motor. I'm gonna show you the issue that is very common with these 9.5. Here's an OMC connector. You plug it in. Plug it in and push it all the way in, and it comes right back out. All right? It's not connecting. This tab is not connecting with that slot right there. That is a common problem. I'm going to show you how to fix that with a TMike trick. Alright, so you can see outside how my connector does the same thing, right? It does the same thing as this right here. Won't stay on. Ooh, I got it to click. Oh, that one clicks, this one doesn't. All the connectors don't do it. The problem is that it's so close. This part has got to sit so close for this connector to kit, and it's off just by the slightest. The TMike trick is take a flap sander and you just take off not even 1/8 of an inch, or 1/16 or 32nd of an inch. It lowers this surface and it's able to connect. Watch this. You can see they got a little lip right here. See that little lip? That little lip's got to go. See if I did it enough. Snapola. No, I can feel it catching though. I'm going to take a little bit more off. Voila. Voila. You can hear it catching. Heard that click, click? That's the clip catching on that part. It's got this. That's the TMike trick. Now, let's take the grinder and let's go outside and fix my test motor. Follow me. Alright, so here's my test motor. Clip doesn't stay on. You can see that this inner part is raised a little bit. I need to grind that down. Need to make sure and clean out all that debris so it doesn't get in your fuel line. Look at that. Holes. That's the TMike trick. I've been fighting this for years and years. Some connectors work, some don't work. Customers always calling me. I'm telling them you just got to go buy another connector. That one don't work. Well, here's a TMike trick to make any one of your connectors hold on your 9.5s. I love what I do. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. Sitting out here on my walkway on my lake and editing the videos and posting them on YouTube with a good signal here. And just wanted to remind you, TMike's got a website now. That's right, got my own website, TMikesVintageOutboards.com. It's right there, the first link in the description down below. Go ahead and check out my website. It's pretty cool. I got, I think one of the best parts of it is the mail-in repair service and the parts broker pages. You can click on those links and submit a form to me that gives me the horsepower, brand, model number, your email address, your phone number. Give me all the information so I can gather the parts you need, or you can ship me your parts for repair through my website. Just create a form, gives me all the information. I can provide a quote to you right back, and then we can get her done. So TMike is upgraded with a website, TMikesVintageOutboards.com. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I did. So just remember, always remember, and never forget, here at TMike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.